Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. In this video, I will create a quiz. We create 4 questions for this quiz. First, create a list and print in ascending and descending order. And second is index -1 always return the last item in the list when this probably cause an error. And the third question is create a set and tuple of random integers and print both set and tuple in ascending order. And we can change the data type, but the output and the given set tuple must have same data type. And the fourth question is print only name and email from the given dictionary. I hope you try your best to solve these problems. Next video I will solve this quiz. If you have any questions you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.